We are building the Arkansas Children's Northwest Hospital in Springdale, Arkansas. We started the project in spring of last year, so we've been on for about a year now. And it's a over 200,000 square foot children's hospital, 5 stories, with a central energy plant on a 37-acre site. We have hundreds, 200, 300 guys that are going to be working on this job. And how do you ensure that all of them are looking at the exact same version of plans that you are?
I'm Clyde Simpson. I'm a superintendent out of the Rogers office. I'm overseeing the central energy plant and the MEP coordination on the hospital. On the job site here at Children's, we are using the iPad for all of our daily documentation, from daily logs to quality control and safety. At first, subs always start the project as being resistant to having to learn something new, and is it going to benefit them? As the project has gone on, more and more subs are wanting more and more information put on there for them and more access to benefit the same way that Nabholz has been from using it. Previously, when a subcontractor would receive materials on the job, we would have to go out, take pictures of the material, and then log it on a Excel form once we got back to the trailer. Now, with the use of the iPad, we're able to have the subcontractor take a picture of his own material and fill out his own checklist of that material, and then the information is sent directly to us via the iPad.
One of the unique tasks on this job would be to ensure that the subcontractors are always building off of the latest and greatest plans because of how many packages we've been issued to date. And I can't imagine trying to keep track of that manually with a drawing log in Excel and keeping up with the subs at every sub meeting. Hey, what are your current drawings? What are you building off of? And we've found subs that have paper copies and they've been old and we've just thrown them away. So the subcontractors all have foremen with iPads, and for me to be able to sync in the latest set of plans, even if it has 300 sheets, and say, hey, pick up your iPad, hit your sync button, and to not have to worry about that issue anymore. We have on the iPad the current library of all of our plans, which between the 2 buildings, the central energy plant and the hospital itself, we have about 1,000 sheets of drawings. We have 1,300 submittals that we'll be putting on the iPad as they're reviewed and approved. We currently have 356 RFI responses that are logged on the iPad, and anyone who's on this project has access to all of that documentation at a click.
The benefits of using the iPad on site is, years ago, if we encounter a problem in the field, if we didn't have a giant roll of blueprints with us, we had to walk back to the trailer, look through the prints, look through the specifications, shop drawings. All of that is at our fingertips in the field while we're standing there looking at the problem. I believe the biggest benefit to the owner is that they're receiving higher quality projects by us streamlining processes by the use of this field technology.
So I've been pleased with the iPad. I can't imagine rolling up a set of plans that it weighs 40 pounds and using that to tote around with me and do my quality checking or coordination in the field. So everything is at your fingertips, and it's made for a lot more efficient utilization of the information in the field, both for us and for the subcontractors.